And last but by no means least, our very, very special guest, a man who has inspired millions around the world with his determination and positivity. A man whose motto, "Tomorrow will be a good day," has given hope to those struggling with social distancing and served as a reminder that we can all overcome any challenge if we are united together. I'm delighted on behalf of everyone here at Nightingale, Yorkshire and Humber to welcome Captain Tom Moore to join us, along with his daughter Hannah. Hello, Captain Moore, can you hear us?
Yeah, I certainly can, Steve.
Yeah, we can, thank you.
Fantastic. Technology is working. That's the most relief all afternoon.
It really is.
My name is Steve. I want to first, I have to look over there. I want to first thank you for agreeing to officially open the Nightingale today. And secondly, an even bigger thank you from each and every one of us in the NHS for your incredible and amazing fundraising efforts. You originally planned to raise £1,000 for the NHS, but now have raised over £27 million. We're all in awe of what you've managed to achieve. How does it make you feel?
Well, I must say I agree with you. We set off in hope we would manage to raise £1,000, but look what happened. Well, I am absolutely in awe of what has happened when you think all the kindness of the people throughout this country and throughout the world who have given so much money to the fund to help our National Health Service, who we have got to agree is one of the best services that there is in the world.
You won't get any arguments from us, none at all. We only wish that if we walked around our gardens as many times as you had, we'd also have raised £27 million. As you know, this is a facility that serves Yorkshire and the Humber, but we are in Yorkshire, and we also know that you are a Yorkshire man, hailing from Keighley, not too far from here. We wondered if there was anything that you miss about the wonderful county of Yorkshire.
Is there anything that you miss about the wonderful county of Yorkshire?
I don't know, but I mean, you've got to, you know that I'm a Yorkshireman, and I always believe that there's no place better than Yorkshire. There never has been, and all the people who are missing coming to Yorkshire, they're missing an awful lot of marvellous things and people, because the Yorkshire people have a sense of humour and kindness that not many people have to the extent that we have.
Again, no arguments from any of us. Final question, I suppose, before we ask you to do the honours. You've had a very distinguished career and had huge and unique experiences. It's been a unique experience for all of us over the last 3 weeks, but I wondered if you had any words of advice or encouragement for colleagues here at Nightingale, Yorkshire and the Humber.
Yeah, well, it's difficult because all the doctors and nurses throughout the National Service are doing such a magnificent job under very difficult conditions, and every day they're putting themselves in harm's way, night and morning, and they're doing it with, I won't say with pleasure, but they're doing it with a determination that only we can do, and then they're continuing to do that. And I think we must all say thank you very much to the National Health Service, all of you, not just the doctors and nurses, but everyone throughout the whole system who are doing such a magnificent job.
Thank you, Captain Tom. I know that your words will mean a huge amount to colleagues, not just here in Nightingale, but to every single member of the NHS. Thank you ever so much. You joined us very kindly today to officially open Nightingale, Yorkshire and the Humber. We've got a plaque on stage, which we're going to ask Paula to come and unveil. So just as she gets ready, I wonder, Captain Tom, if you would please be able to do the honours.
Would you now officially open the hospital?
I hereby declare the National Health Service Nightingale Hospital, Yorkshire and Humber is open.
Hello, Captain Tom. My name's Yvette and I'm the medical director here. So I really know that I speak for everyone when I say that we're truly honoured to have you here with us today. You're an inspiration to this country and you're just what we needed to make it through these unprecedented times. And I'd like to invite my colleagues to join me in thanking you for everything that you've done for the National Health Service. So colleagues, could I please ask you to stand and give a clap for Captain Tom.
They're clapping you.
Thank you very much.